In this video, I'm going to show you this really awesome reflected skyline effect that you can do right inside of Adobe Photoshop. So let's get right into it. Okay, so this one is nice and easy. Once you've got your photo imported into Photoshop, we first want to begin by unlocking the background layer. So we'll select the padlock icon on the right of Photoshop. We'll go up to the rectangle mask tool on the left-hand side of Photoshop, and we'll just draw a rectangle mask around the top half of the photo. Now you want to hold Command and press C. This should copy that into its own layer, and then hold Command and press V, and that should paste the top half of that image that you just selected into its own separate layer. Now from here, we'll turn off that layer that we just created. So we'll press the eyeball on the right of Photoshop, and we'll pull the original background layer just up a little bit. Now once you're happy with that, we'll turn on layer 1, and then we'll hold Command and press T, and that should load up transform. And then we'll just go up to the very top of this image and pull this all the way down, and this should completely flip that image upside down. Now we'll adjust the scale of this to make sure this is the exact same size as it was before, and then you just want to perfectly position this up with the original image. And once you're happy with that, you just want to press enter to confirm. And there you go, you have successfully reflected your skyline right inside of Adobe Photoshop. It's really quick, it's really easy, but it's a really handy and really awesome trick. And there you go. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in that comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, check out the previous video, and I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. See you there.